Welcome guys to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to press that subscription button now and enjoy videos on this channel. So in today's video, I want to show you guys how I tie the 3 yards Ankara Gele, fan Gele for that matter. This will actually be my first time of tying a large size of Ankara. So I folded the Ankara into two. Then I took the longer end, two ends at the two ends. So I took the longer ends and I flipped it over, and then I started making pleats for the fan. As every one of us know, fan Gele used to have pleats. So I started making the pleats. So here am I making the pleats. Don't forget, with the longer hand. I started with the longer hand. And so I started making the pleats like this, trying to make sure the pleat is well seated on our head. So yeah, am I making the pleats and folding up, trying to arrange it at the back and make sure the thing is fine and okay. So I started making pleats like that, ensuring the pleat is okay. So this is me doing this. This is me doing this. Yeah. Adjusting and adjusting. I tried as much as possible to adjust because I don't want the pleats not being rhyme or not being the same. Do you understand? So I'm trying as much as possible to make sure the pleats are of the same size. So here I've already tied it at the back. I already tied the two ends of the both the long and the short ends of the gele. So I knotted it at the back already, and then trying to now make sure my pleats in front is very, 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 very okay. I'm sorry I was not able to show you guys the way I tied it at the back, but just the normal tying, knotting at the back. So you can see the end of the two ends showing. So this is me making it, arranging the pleats and making sure it's round and fine. It's not easy, but I try to do my best. So yeah, am I trying to make the pleats? I tried as much as possible to make sure the pleats came out so nice. And I hope at the end of this video, you're going to give this video a big thumbs up. That yes, I tried, and drop your comments. And let me know how much I tried and where I made mistakes, because I know some experts will be watching this video. So please let me know where I made mistakes while tying. So yeah, am I making the pleats? Yeah, I am making the pleats, trying to ensure the pleats is okay. Then I had to knot it again the second time at the back. That's those two loose ends. I had to knot the two loose ends the second time at the back. Yeah. So this time to start adjusting, I started adjusting and making sure my model comes out fine. My model looks good. Yeah, so I tried adjusting the knots at the back, wrapping around. I didn't use any pin actually. I was not with pin, so I just tried to manage and ensure everything was okay and fine. So some people use pin, which is actually nice, but I was not with pin, so I didn't use pin. I just kept tying and tying and adjusting till the thing became fine. So this is, I noticed somewhere at the back here was not looking okay, so I tried adjusting it and making sure the two sides are of the same length, like one side isn't longer than the other side. So I adjusted and make sure thing came out very nice and fine. See our model looking fine. See how looking fine and beautiful. So look at this video. Hope I tried. Hope the gele came out nice. See her blushing. So this is the final stage. Guys, please tell me how's it. Hope it's fine.